Average sneaker guy. We're gonna get into the shoes that I wore today, which is the Jordan 85 runners. These right here, I don't know. I'm kind of up and down with these shoes. They comfortable, and then over a period of time, they not. But I love this colorway. This reminds me of the other Jordan 1, Chicago. Can't go wrong with it. You got the got the Jordan on the tongue, got the white tongue. We got the Chicago bread. Look at the booty on that thing. You got that Jordan Wayne on the booty. Got that original Jordan logo. You got the black Nike swoosh. And this white right here is see-through, which I like, because if you're wearing black socks, white socks, you can see that, change the color of the appearance, and just bring another different element of the shoe. But overall, this shoe, I would have to give it, with the comfortability, I would have to give it a 8.5 out of 10. Because like I said, the first couple of hours, you're going to love having this shoe on. Then over time, this shoe get uncomfortable. But as far as the colorway and the design, I mean, Nike knocked it out the park with this. Jordan brand knocked it out the park with this. I call this my Jordan 1 runners. But it's the Jordan 85 runners. If you're interested in this, they got a different color. They got a black and white colorway too. But I figured this colorway was the best. When I seen this one, it caught my eyes. I mean, it wasn't up but $100. But I appreciate everybody tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure y'all hit that like button. Comment down below what y'all think of the video. And sub up to your boy. Subscribe to the channel. I want to reach my goal. I got a goal of 10K by the end of the year. I'm trying to make that happen. So if y'all haven't, y'all come join the family. Your average sneaker guy. Repeat. Your average sneaker guy. And yeah. Until then, y'all be good. It's your average sneaker guy, and he out.
Well, it's something like a
Artlist.io.
Monday or maybe like a Tuesday. Really? I don't even know. Yeah, I went and tried to tell her that I love her, and she told me you can find your way to the friend zone. It's whatever. I don't even care anymore. I just really want to be alone. My best friends keep on blowing up my phone trying to ask me if I'm good, man.
Music licensing reimagined.
Really, if I'm trying to be real.